I'm going to show you how to insert an audio file straight away in your Google Slides. So for example, like this, I already have this made earlier. So just
学习目标，创建是非题 S， 成功标。
So it clicks, when you click it, translate the text to Mandarin or any other language you desire. So I would go to, what I'll do is actually I have to install Mote extension first. So it's easily, you just click on Mote in Chrome Web Store, install it, and then it will, once you install it, come up in your up here. Okay, and then you also need a Google Translate webs. Once it's installed here, there's a dedicated Mote recorder in the Google slide as well that you can click and use. So the first thing to do is, so for example, I want this to be translated. I'm gonna copy that, Control C, copy that and go to Google Translate, enter the text here, and just copy the Chinese translation if you want it in Mandarin. Then go back here, just click on the Open Mote Recorder, click on Generate. You can change the voice. For now, I'll just leave it like that, and then you just Command V, the Chinese translation, click Generate, wait for a second, just have a listen.
你什么时候吃早餐？你每天早上怎么去学习？
Okay, if you're happy with that, just click Insert, and it will magically insert the audio to your Google Slides. You can move it where you want to be, and let's just see how it goes. So this is in English, and
你什么时候吃早餐？你每天早上怎么去学校？下雨了吗？你最喜欢吃什么？